Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to recover a Discord account without email. To recover a Discord account without access to your email, your primary options are to use a linked phone number or backup codes. If neither is available, Discord support generally cannot change an account's email for security reasons. So your best option would be to apply it from your phone number. So what you can do is head to your login page, then type in your phone number and try to access your previous account. From there, the Discord will send you a message on your phone from your phone number, and go ahead and type in that login code. And once you've typed in that login code, you will be able to reset your password. From there, enter SMS code and set a new password. Once logged in, immediately go to user setting, my account, to update your email address. And that is how you can access your Discord without any email. Or what you can do is use two-factor login codes, which would be set up in your device under the name desktop. Search your device for a file named under Discord backupcodes.txt, or check your photo gallery for a screenshot, and that is how you will be able to access your Discord without an email. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.